Now I am in our factory. Let's take a look at our machines. This is a machine for 4 phones at one time. There are 2 plates in it, and each plate can hold 2 mobile phones. There is a 2 phones machine, and each plate can only hold 1 mobile, and iron weights are required to use it. This machine is only 1 meter high. This one is for 4 phones. Unlike the other one, this one needs iron weights to give pressure on the phone. This is a machine for 8 phones at one time, it including 4 plates inside. Each plate can place 2 mobile phones, a total of 8 mobile phones, and the performance is very stable. Those machines have been ordered and are waiting to be shipped. We welcome your inquiry. We can provide the great price and best technical guidance. Thanks for watching.